Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need iOS 16 or later, otherwise the lock screen clock cannot change. Start now by unlocking and long pressing the lock screen. When the gallery appears, tap Customize or the plus button to create or edit a lock screen. This opens the editor where the time is interactive. You're acting on the system-level clock widget, so this is the only supported path without third-party hacks. Once in edit mode, make sure to select the lock screen itself, not a widget area, so the font controls become available. Tap the on-screen time to reveal font choices and color tools. Then swipe through the available fonts. Each change updates the preview, so you see the result instantly. Use the color wheel or quick presets to ensure legibility against your wallpaper. Contrast matters for readability. You can also adjust weight and outline when available to fine-tune appearance. Take a moment to test light versus dark wallpapers, because the same font can read differently depending on background and blur effects. Tap Done to save your lock screen changes, then lock the iPad and inspect the clock live. If you don't see font controls, first confirm the iPad runs iOS 16 or later, then restart the device. This often restores missing UI. If problems persist, update to the latest iOS. Outdated builds can hide features. As a last resort, reset lock screen customizations and recreate the screen. That clears corrupted settings and returns you to the one supported method for changing the time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.